Hey everyone, welcome back to Smooth Auto Vibes. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLE-Class, a luxury SUV that blends performance, comfort, and cutting-edge technology into one stunning package. So, let's take a closer look at what makes this GLE-Class a standout in its segment. First off, let's talk about the design. The 2025 GLE-Class keeps its bold yet sophisticated look, with a refreshed front grille, sleek LED headlights, and a more aerodynamic body. The updated styling makes it feel even more refined, yet still exudes that signature Mercedes-Benz presence. And those AMG line trims. Absolute perfection for those who crave a sportier aesthetic. Step inside, and you're welcomed by pure luxury. Premium leather, real wood, and aluminum accents make the cabin feel elegant and inviting. The new ambient lighting system lets you customize your driving experience with a wide range of colors. And of course, Mercedes-Benz's latest MBUX infotainment system is front and center, featuring a stunning widescreen display, voice command functionality, and seamless smartphone integration. Whether you're commuting or taking a road trip, this SUV ensures maximum comfort and convenience. Under the hood, the 2025 GLE-Class offers multiple powertrain options. The base model comes with a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, while higher trims feature a powerful inline-6 with a mild hybrid system for extra efficiency. And if you're all about performance, the AMG GLE-53 and GLE-63 models deliver jaw-dropping horsepower, pushing this SUV into sports car territory. The refined 9-speed automatic transmission and optional 4MATIC all-wheel drive provide a smooth, controlled, and confident ride, whether you're navigating city streets or tackling rough terrain. Mercedes-Benz never skimps on safety, and the 2025 GLE-Class is no exception. It comes packed with advanced driver assist features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. The new AI-driven parking assistant makes tight spots a breeze, ensuring stress-free parking every time. Beyond luxury and performance, the GLE-Class is built for practicality. With spacious seating for 5, or up to 7 with the optional third row, this SUV is perfect for families and adventurers alike. Plus, the power-folding rear seats make loading up gear incredibly convenient. Road trips, grocery runs, or hauling sports equipment. No problem at all. So, is the 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLE-Class worth it? If you're looking for a high-end SUV that delivers on performance, technology, and comfort, then absolutely. Mercedes-Benz has once again raised the bar, offering a vehicle that's both luxurious and highly capable. What do you think about the 2025 GLE-Class? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Smooth Auto Vibes, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.